Welcome to Surge's Mictex Electronics. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload the next video.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve this problem, which is a common problem to most of PC users. When you plug in your 500 GB hard drive and then you see a 250 GB instead of 500, or at times you even see only 100. What the hell? That's crazy, right? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve that. So without wasting a lot of time, let us get started and follow my lead. Don't skip if you don't want to miss anything, so just follow anything that I'm doing. So as you can see here, this is my external hard disk, which is 250 gig. So right here, as you can see, I only have 116 gigabytes. So I will be showing you guys, just follow my lead. So the first thing you will need to do is to right click on computer and click on management. So here you'll need to click disk management. Here you go. Then you will need to wait for some time. Yeah, here it is. So here, as you can see, it is unlocated drive, and this is the drive in which does not show for the 250 gigabytes to show complete. That is why it's only showing 116 gigabytes. So when it is located, you will have the complete capacity of the hard drive. So here we'll be showing you guys how to solve this. You will need to right click, then click new. Gonna click on here, gonna click next, click next again. Then you're gonna select here, you can select the letter in which you want and the drive to be named, drive D, E, or any drive that you want. So just gonna click that, click next. So here, if you had some data in the other drive before it went missing, you will need to click on do not format. But if you don't care about that, you should click but format. But in most cases it does that when it has some errors on it. So the best way to do that, for the drive to be okay, for the partition to be okay, you will need to format. But I'm not going to do that. So but I'm going to show you how it will behave if you don't format in most cases. So here it is, it's healthy. So let us go back to computer. So here, this is the drive. As you can see, you cannot see any capacity on it. You can see. So what you will need to do now is to right click on it here, then go to format. You're going to format the drives for it to be in use. Gonna click OK. Then you're gonna wait for some time. Here, blah blah blah. Clear. Yeah, the format is complete. As you can see here, this is the drive, this is the other 116 gigabytes. So as you can see, everything is done, it's empty and it's working well. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe. Love you. Thank you.